everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. Hope you all are doing really great. So today's video is one of the most requested one and going up on my channel for the very first time, which is a makeup tutorial. Disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist. I just love seeing people do makeup on YouTube and other platforms like Instagram, and by seeing them I take inspiration and I try doing something on my face and it turns out to be amazing. Well, practice makes a person perfect. By doing practice, I have come to this place where I really love makeup and I do my makeup pretty well good. But if any of these, the way I'm applying my makeup is wrong, then I'm sorry because I just do it like this and my face is pretty perfect in that. I hope you guys will be excited for this video. I'm doing a very good mixed makeup eye look because I put on my poll on an Instagram requesting you guys to choose between a pink look or a mixed eye look, and 76% of you guys voted for mixed eye look. So here it is. I'm doing a makeup on a sunset eye look and I hope you guys will love this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big like, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, to begin with, the very first step you have to do is to tie your hair because you don't want your hair to come and disturb you while you do your makeup. Second, also important step is to cleanse your face with a face wash. That really helps your skin look more cleansed, which will be very good before you apply any makeup, and it will help you to glow, which is to always drink water. Many of you guys ask me how do I have flawless skin. The only reason behind this flawless skin is water and having vegetables. Like I usually have vegetables in the form of salad. My mom is giving me looks, but I have in the form of salad, so that's better and keep your skin hydrated. So now let's begin with our makeup. Okay, so our very first step for applying foundation is actually a very viral TikTok hack. Yes, TikTok, testing out beauty TikTok viral hacks. So I've seen this hack and it's a very cool hack. So the basic things you need is your normal stuff what you apply on your face, but this is going to be the reverse method of applying foundation. So basically you start up with the moisturizer. I use the Nivea Soft Refreshing and Moisturizing Cream. It's best for oily and dry skin. The next thing you have to apply is powder, a setting spray. I use this setting spray from MAC Prep Plus Prime. I've been using this since years and I love their setting sprays. The next thing you do is you apply your primer. The primer I'm using here is a Gosh Velvet Touch, and after that you have to apply your foundation. That's it. You're gonna really thank me. If you have seen this hack, then you should try this hack because your skin becomes so light. I mean, you don't feel like you have worn foundation on your face. It's very light and it helps a lot. So you should try this hack. So I'm gonna do this and I'll be back with you guys. So now the face is set and now I'm gonna apply my foundation using a beauty blender. Okay, so the places where I apply my foundation, and it's very important, is on the neck area. And I also don't forget my eyes because most of the times... Yes. Oh! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I misplaced my body organs. I'm very sorry. But yeah, you have to not forget to apply it on your ears. Okay, so now my face is set. Now the other most important work is concealer. I really love concealer. That basically just hides all your blemishes and all your dark circles. So now I use the concealer from Tarte, the contour concealer. I apply it using a puffy brush like this. Okay, so this is how my skin looks right now. This concealer is right so amazing. My skin looks really good. I really love this concealer. And now let's move with the next step, which is a setting powder or a setting translucent powder. Usually I don't use translucent powders because I don't have one. So I use like normal Pond's powder. So I take my powder and I put it under my eye. This contour palette from Kat Von D, the shade Light. Now this contour is also a blessing. I have this contour since so many years, and many of my friends were like, you have this contouring palette, how do you have this if you do not know how to do it? I want this. I'm just like, really, that I just learned it and it's amazing. So I'm going to show you my basic steps, what I do for contouring. I don't do really extra and I don't know how to do it, but I do it. I take these two shades, which is Chambray and Shadow Play, and I like mix them and I put it on my cheekbone right over here. So that's how I do it. And then I take this brush over here and I just give it a little more structure. That's it. I don't do it on my cheekbone, on my jawline, because that's not really needed for me. And now I take my setting powder over here, and the best part is this, because I just love seeing how satisfying it is. And I just put that line. See how it looks? Now I'm gonna leave this and I'll do my brows, which I don't show. I just comb them. I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so I usually keep it for like 1, 2 or 3 minutes, and now I'm gonna dust this off using a fluffy brush. So this is how it look. I really love the result. So now let's move on with a very requested part, which is eye makeup look. Now I'm gonna do my eye makeup. Now I'm gonna start off with this Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette for the sunset eye look I showed you guys. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, and first I'm gonna put a nude look on my eye. So now I'm gonna use this nude color from the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. I prefer you guys to go from back to the front, not from the inner corner to the last. Okay, so I'm starting off with this light pink over here and then the dark pink. I usually go with that. With circle, and like a rainbow, I'm gonna go in. That's it. I'm gonna do the pink shade, the dark pink, and I'm gonna go completely over, okay? Like I'm gonna go like this and over. I'm not gonna make circles. I'm just gonna make a rainbow, a dome shape like this over here. Now I'm gonna take my iconic Morphe X James Charles palette and use the purple shade on my eye because we need a sunset look. A lot of pink and purple eye looks over here. We have like 3 purple, like we have a little violet over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the violet color, not the purple, and just keep it in the middle and not make any crease or something. Yeah. So we're going to use this dark orange over here, and we're going to put it like on our inner lids mixed with the purple, because that will give a little sunset eye look, and also on our rainbow edge over here. Now I'm going to take my fingertip and put it like mixed with the purple, because that more than a brush, I think fingertips work more well. This is how it looks by far now. I'm going to take my yellow color from the Huda Beauty and apply it on my lower line lash. I'm going to take this because it has a little golden in it and a little pink in this, and I'm going to put on my lower eyebrow line here and on my inner corner just to give it more up to look. So that is how I create this beautiful eye look. I have my eyeliner and my mascara to wear, but since I didn't do my left eye look, I'm gonna do it and I'll be right back to you guys. Ta-da! I'm back with my other eye, and now the part is to apply eyeliner. I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner. I'm gonna do a winged liner over here, just a slight winged liner. I don't go really heavy with my winged liner. Okay, so I've done my eye over here. So now I'm gonna put my mascara. So for mascara, I am out of my mascara. during this stuff because malls are closed. We had these MAC Extreme Dimensions Black Lash, which we got, and this is amazing. As soon as the mall opens, I'm going and getting these. These just volumize your lashes and make them look so beautiful. Now, the next step we are going to use is a compact powder. I'm going to use a MAC Studio Fix first on my face. So I completed that. Now I'm going to use my Sephora Colorful in the shade Charmed, the blush. So I'm going to use this color. This is a very peachy color and I love it, and I'm using it since years. And with a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply my blush. Now comes the second last part, which is highlighting. I love highlighting. So I'm using the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighting palette. Highlighting palette, and with a highlighting brush I'm gonna apply it. Okay, so this is how the highlighter really working. I personally love this highlighter. Now let's move on with the last step, which is our lips. Okay, so now this is really funny, but please bear with me because I use these many lip shades on my lips. So with my lips, what I do is I use a Flormar's nude lip liner and I put completely all over my lips. That really helps your lipstick to stay for like so many hours. Now the next thing what I do is I use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's very funny. Now I use the Acne Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. This is an orange color. I use the Powder Puff Lipstick from NYX, and I'll be personally done with all of this. So now I think I've come to my desired lip shade, which is this, mixing all these colors. I know this is kind of embarrassing, but I just love doing this. I mix a lot of colors. So this is how I do my lipstick, my whole face. And this is not perfect for this, but instead I'll be back. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This was my very first time showing you guys my tips and tricks I use while applying my makeup. Really sorry if any of this step wasn't right, but this is how I do it and I shared it with you guys. Get to hit this like button. Don't forget to share this with your girlfriends so that they get a little tutorial on how to do this beautiful piece of eye makeup. And also guys, if you're watching this video, I know this was not at all helpful for you guys, but instead share this video with all your girlfriends or your sisters so that they get also a little inspiration from this tutorial. And also don't forget to comment down below your favorite makeup artist. Basically mine is James Charles, with no doubt. I love his work. I love him. And also I want to know what are your favorite artists. Now also a little disclaimer, if you're not following me on my social media like Instagram and other pages, do follow me. I'll put all the links in the description box. And a very famous thing, which is I've seen this all pass the brush or like the don't trust challenge going around. This is basically a little work to just pass your time during this quarantine. And for information, I did this with a couple of my friends and with my sisters. So if you want to watch it, please press the link in the description box for my Instagram and go check the video out. This is the Pass the Brush challenge. And that was it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the small bell beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I post a new video. If many of you guys don't have Instagram, like usually when you press the link they tell you to log in, but if you are not on Instagram, then at the end of the video I'm gonna put the Pass the Brush challenge video. do see it and tell me how did you like it in the comment section below. And I want to see you guys stay safe, stay home, and don't forget to keep smiling. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye. Do watch the video.
मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने देना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इससे झूमने दे अपनी बीत ते। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे आ फिक्रां नू छड्ड के, बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे आ फिक्रां नू छड्ड के, बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे। तेरी छोटी छोटी सोच क्यों है जी, ओहो पाजी। हो उखड़े उखड़े क्यों खड़े जी, हंसता तो हंस देगी दुनिया भी, हाँ जी। ओ आए जो ऑन द फ्लोर कुड़ी तो खूब मचाए शोर, तू भी झूम लेना इसकी बीट ते। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे आ फिक्रां नू छड्ड के, बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, नचने दे, नचने दे, लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे।